Hey guys, if you are also getting the Netsh application error message repeatedly, follow these few simple tricks to fix this problem permanently. Click on Windows button, type PowerShell, right click and select Run as Administrator. Once PowerShell opens, copy the command from my description box, paste it and press enter. The command will execute and may take a few seconds. Once done, restart your PC and check again. Now your problem should be resolved. But if the problem still persists, then move on the next step. Click on Windows button, type CMD and run the command prompt as an administrator. Once open, type the following commands: DISM online cleanup image ScanHealth. Once that has finished, type the next command: DISM/online/cleanup image/RestoreHealth. Press the enter button. Once that has finished, type the next command: /scannow. Press the enter button. Once that has finished, restart your PC and your problem should be resolved. Stay safe.